Hey, what's up guys? GG Hub here, and first of all, a big shout out to Stedi for sending me over this Panaline accent color in black. I've been testing it out and honestly, I'm really impressed. Okay, so if you're new to panelining or building Gunpla in general, this stuff is perfect. It's water-based, which means it's super safe to use on any plastic. No stress about cracking your kit, even without a top coat. That's one of the biggest worries for beginners, and you don't have to worry about that here. It also comes with a fine tip brush built right into the cup, so you don't need any extra tools. You just dip and tap it gently on the panel line. You literally see the ink flow into the groove on its own. You don't need to press hard, don't overthink it. Let the brush and the ink do the work. Now if you messed up or if the ink spreads too far, don't panic. Just wait for it to dry a bit, then grab a cotton pad or damp cloth and gently wipe it off. That's one of the best things about it. It's super easy to clean or remove, even after it dries. The details just pop so much more. Panel lining adds depth, realism, and that finished look, even if you don't do any painting. So, yeah, if you're a beginner and want to make your kits look way better with minimal effort, this panel liner from Stedi is honestly my go-to right now. Safe on any plastic, zero cracks, easily used, and cleanup's a breeze. Thanks again to Stedi for sending this over. I really appreciate it. If you guys want more Gunpla tips like this, don't forget to follow. Bye!